Good morning and welcome to the Trade Talk podcast. Today, our markets are going to open almost at an unchanged levels on the back of specific gains that markets have digested on Saturday. So even though Gift Nifty is indicating 60-65 points higher as compared to its previous close, it is comparing with the Friday's closing. So while looking at the entire global markets and global macros, we are of the view that global macros are supportive. Global equities are showing some recovery from the lower levels. Most of the indices are in the green. So that will provide some relief to emerging markets, and the downside for the market will get curtailed. For the week specifically, 22,275, 22,200 would act as major support. In case if we see the market is sustaining below 22,200, then the chances of hitting the levels of 22,000 would turn bright. It should not break the level of 22,000 for keeping the market on the upside. On the higher side, 22,500 and 22,600 will be most crucial levels where we can see furthermore profit taking. So if there is any correction in the market, then we should look for adding some positions between 22,300 to 22,250 with a stop loss below 22,100. For the Bank Nifty, there also we saw specific gains. Bank Nifty is like around 47,250, 300 levels. 47,450 is the next level to watch out for. Above that, we can expect 48,000 sort of levels in next few days. So on that, we need to be careful in terms of like whether the Bank Nifty is crossing this level or not. But while looking at the participation from private banks and PSU banks, we are of the view that Bank Nifty is heading higher. On the downside, 46,900 and 46,800 will act as major support in the short term. HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank as well as State Bank of India all are like gaining on a week on week basis, which is positive. We can expect further more activity in these three stocks in the near term. Also we can expect some activity in technology companies as Nasdaq is doing well and bond yield is down. In the current week, in fact, Mr. Powell is going to give its statement on Wednesday on the interest rates. Also, the job data will come on Friday, which will decide the next rate of interest rates in the financial year, in the calendar year 2024. So broadly, we are of the view that we need to be a little bit careful if there is any higher opening at the beginning. But if there is any correction, then we should look for adding some positions. That's all from my side. With this, I am ending today's morning podcast. Thank you.